Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to log out your Instagram account from all devices. So let's start. First, open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Security. Now tap on Password. Before we move on, you have to remember that there are no ways to log out from all devices from your Instagram account. So you have to change your password. I'll just dismiss my alarm. So what you have to do now is enter your current password and your new password twice. If your Instagram account is connected with your Facebook account, then you can reset with Facebook. Now change your password or reset your password and you'll be logged out of all your devices. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.